In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments in Wix Studio in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Whether you're an entrepreneur or running a small business, setting up online payments is crucial for your sales. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by visiting your Wix dashboard. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Wix.com homepage, which is the central hub for all your website needs. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is a comprehensive tool that helps you manage and customize your website. Next, let's make our way to the settings. On the left-hand side of your Wix dashboard, there's a menu bar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This section is where you can modify various aspects of your website's functionality, making it an essential stop for setting up payment processes. Now, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Accept Payments. This is a crucial step, as this section is where your payment setup begins. Here, you'll find options to integrate various payment methods into your website, ensuring your customers have the flexibility they need for checkout. Once you're in the Accept Payments section, look for the Connect button and give it a click. This will kickstart the process of linking your website with payment processors, such as PayPal, Stripe, and Wix Payments. It's an essential step that prepares your site to receive payments seamlessly and securely. As you move forward,